Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA Mobile failed playing. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA Mobile failed playing, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to FIFA Mobile. Then in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to this window of storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.